Hi friends, today we'll discuss on an important topic, that is psychological capital. How can you improve your psychological capital? That's very important because it takes care of your all-round development. So there are four elements in psychological capital. First is hope, efficacy, your self-efficacy. Third is your resiliency, and then optimism. So people with high hope put more effort towards their goals than those with low hope. Hope is a cognitive process that motivates to find willpower and way power. Willpower helps in goal directed determination. Way power helps in planning of ways to meet goals. So, how to develop hope? Hope can be developed by goal setting and perceived ability. Hope can be developed by motivation. Autonomy and meaning are found to be the key factors to create intrinsic motivation with employees. So hope is very important and we all should hope, and it is the most important factor in the psychological capital. Second, we will discuss efficacy. Efficacy is defined as people's belief about their capabilities to produce effects. How do you believe on your abilities? How is your self-confidence? Whether we have the confidence to take on and put in a necessary effort to succeed at challenging tasks determines how we feel, think and motivate ourselves. The belief that we can produce the desired effect is a major incentive to act. In the first place, the higher is your self-efficacy, the higher our efficacy expectancy, the harder we will work to achieve our goals, leading to a higher probability of success. So these are two key ingredients in self-efficacy. Outcome expectancy, the examination of what needs to be done, and efficacy expectancy, examination of our own capability to do what needs to be done. So how to develop self-efficacy? It can be developed in four ways. Focus on first success, mastery experience, that yes, you are capable of doing something. Copy other people, social modeling, gather social intelligence, learn from others, create solutions for success, societal, social persuasion, and then refrain from negative experience, psychological responses. So in these four ways you can strengthen your self-confidence. Third, we will discuss on resilience. Resilience is the capacity to bounce back from adversity and grow stronger from overcoming negative events. It is told by Fred Rothans. So how to develop resilience? Resilience is a combination of three capabilities: face reality, search for meaning, and improvise. The ability to deal with a situation with whatever we have at hand is a strong predictor of our ability to bounce back from adversity. Resilience is mainly the capacity to bounce back from adversity, maybe twice before. It is not so much the tools we are given, but ability to improvise and find new ways to reach a goal. So resilience is very important. So hero, hope, optimism, resilience. Hero, hope, efficacy, that is self-efficacy, resilience and optimism. Now optimism has been defined as making a positive attribution about succeeding now and in the future. Be optimistic. Think that yes, you have the capability to do and you will do. Always be optimistic for your better future. People with external locus of control tend to internalize positive events and take the credit. Live life as if everything is rigged in your favor. How to develop optimism? Developing optimism is all about changing focus. It can be developed by exercises of accepting the past, appreciating the moment, and viewing the future as a source of opportunity. Think that yes, things will change, matter will change, time will change, and you will have better opportunity to succeed. The way we assess past events has a major impact on how we predict the future. Reframing is a great technique which coaches as well as employees to achieve a change in vision. So optimism helps in change of vision. So developing optimism is very much essential. So hope, efficacy, resilience and optimism, these four, the hero, are very important, and it's told that PSYCAP is greater than its parts. PSYCAP is psychological capital. These four elements, hope, efficacy, resiliency and optimism, are greater than its individual parts. So keep in mind and try to develop these four capitals to the best of your ability to improve yourself, to be your best person. Thank you. Good luck.